after day, life moves at a relentless pace, leaving little time to slow down. That's why the world is embracing wellness, a new way of living. Wellness is all about restoring balance to the body and mind and making time to care for yourself. Today is all about discovering Korea's unique wellness culture, where nature, relaxation, and gentle healing come together. Hidden away in a lush forest, right in the heart of Seoul. And here come today's two explorers.
Hi everyone, my name is Karel, I am from Quebec City.
And hi, my name is Lea, and I am also from Quebec City.
Two nature lovers, ready to experience Korean-style wellness for themselves.
So why are we here today, Lea?
I heard there is actually a healing center here in the middle of Baengnyeonsan Mountain.
Yes, so I'm very excited, so shall we go?
Yes, let's go.
Yay, let's go.
Their first stop is Baengnyeonsan Forest Healing Center. Just hearing the name already feels calming. Let's head inside.
Oh, that's so refreshing.
Oh,
yeah, it looks
yes.
like healing center. Yeah.
Yes.
The Baengnyeonsan Forest Healing Center is a brand new facility that opened this year. Equipped with the latest facilities and a wide range of programs, it's already attracting plenty of visitors.
Oh, they have the healing maybe program in there. Kind of things.
Oh my God. I guess. Can we go in?
Before getting started, it's time to check their current condition. First, a look at their stress levels and physical balance. What will the results show?
You have a lot of mental stress.
Mental stress?
What, 정식?
Okay.
Yeah, mental.
Oh.
I have a lot of physical stress.
Oh, nerves.
Yeah, I have no idea. I thought I was okay. Maybe
Maybe
I am
you can do it
not.
one more time.
Oh no! Both of them scored a little high on stress. But that's okay. A slow, relaxing day in the forest might be just what they need. Now it's finally time to head into the forest. Take a slow walk, reconnect with nature, and simply unwind. Korean families are joining them today too. It's a program that people of all ages can enjoy.
마음을 치료하는 그런 곳에 왔어요. 스트레스가 풀릴 것 같아요. 특히 학업 스트레스.
Leading today's program is a certified forest healing instructor. Step by step, she'll show everyone how to experience the forest more deeply.
자, 얘는 해양목이라는 친구인데 얘를 이렇게 반 나눠보세요. 2등분 벌려서 벌려진 사이에다가 얘를 끼우는 거예요. 최종적으로 했을 때 이런 조각배 모양이 돼가지고 만약에 인맥이 흘러가고 있다 그러면은 이게 벌어지지 않았겠죠. 해양목의 특징은 이렇게 공기층이 있어서 겨울에도 얼지 않아요. 얘는.
Next up, a peaceful walking meditation in the forest.
뒤꿈치에 옆에 앞에 롤링하듯이 이렇게 걸으시는 거예요. 롤링하듯이. 그리고 아무 생각 없이 천천히 앞을 보시고 우리 한 50m씩 뛰어서 한번 걸어볼게요.
Slow steps, eyes on the distance. Walking meditation invites each step to become part of the experience. Before long, even a busy mind begins to feel a little lighter. Along the trail, there's even a small garden filled with a variety of plants.
혹시 이 식물 어떤 식물인지 궁금해요.
조금 더 가까이 와서 보시면 요거는 바질이라는 허브예요. 향기도 한번 맡아보세요.
있어요?
향기 엄청 강합니다. 만져보시면.
오, 오, it smells so good.
그렇죠. 꽃도 관찰해 보시고요.
오, I can see the small, tiny flowers.
Seeing, touching, and breathing in nature. It's a chance to experience the forest in a whole new way. Engaging with nature through every sense is an important part of forest healing. With the activities winding down, it's time to relax and let the mind rest. With a warm cup of tea, they pause, catch their breath, and simply enjoy a moment of doing nothing. So, how was the time spent in the forest?
It's very peaceful, and doing activities with something new. Doing like these kind of activities really kind of empties my mind and makes me feel more peaceful, more relaxed.
No long journey required. Just a chance to slow down in the midst of the nature, right in the city. See why so many Koreans turn to forests for a break?
아, 예쁘게 나온다. 이거를 떼려고 하시지 말고요. 마르면 이렇게 놓고 물도 안 올라오고 크라스를 이어서 해가시면 됩니다. 자, 내부 포스를 들이자면은 단풍잎이 이렇게 확실하게 나와요. 이렇게 색깔도 엄청 예쁘게 나오니까
Next up, a unique wellness experience designed to warm the body from within. Wow, what's all this? It's not soil, and it's not sand either.
편백에다가 쌀결을 발효시킨 거라서 한번 만져보시면은 속에 느껴보세요. 열이 느껴지실 거예요.
뜨거워요.
예, 예. 이 내부에서 발효가 이루어지면서 고온 미생물이 이렇게 자라고 있는 거예요.
A bed of fermented hinoki sawdust and rice bran. The natural heat produced during fermentation gently warms the body, creating a unique wellness treatment known as an enzyme bath.
네, 그대로 계세요.
A brand new experience brings a few nervous smiles.
It's a new world coming. Yes.
편안하게 명상하듯이 계시는 게 노폐물 배출이나 림프 순환에 좋거든요. 그래서 편안한 마음으로 계세요.
Buried all the way up to the neck, and the enzyme bath is officially underway. They are looking surprisingly comfortable. Wasn't this supposed to be hot?
Actually, it's pretty good, but I think it's not that hot.
It's okay.
그냥 림프 순환에 좋은 정도의 온도인데 실제로 이걸 재보면 60도 되거든요. 그래서 열이 편안하게 느껴지는 거예요. 자연 열이기 때문에.
So I got
How do we look?
Healthy?
Healthy? Yeah.
Oh, I
You
think-
should take a picture.
Okay.
This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime pic. The sweat just keeps building up as time goes on. I mean, if you want the glow up, you've got to suffer for it, right?
예뻤어 날 바라봐주던 그 눈빛.
정신없어.
예뻐져라.
Yeah, 예뻐져라. Let's go.
천천히 일어나.
And that's a wrap on our 20-minute enzyme bath. Wonder how much they've changed. Wow! Look at that glow! Their skin looks so much brighter already, doesn't it? Feeling light, refreshed, and totally recharged. They just can't stop smiling at the mirror.
I feel like I have baby skin.
Yeah, it's like, oh.
I feel it's a good experience because before that I felt like really hot, and I felt really hot during the Jjimjil, 효소찜질. But after I felt like my body temperature like was way well regulated, and now I feel fine.
Same.
Yes.
I feel very relieved right now, so very good experience.
Yes.
A time to warm the body, rest, and gently nurture the mind and soul. This is just one of the many ways people in Korea embrace wellness today. A moment to pause, step back, and simply focus inward. True wellness in Korea isn't about some grand secret. It begins right here in the simple, quiet pauses of everyday life.
Feels like really feel like when you go to the cabins in the mountain.